Uzbekistan customers. Recently visited Guangzhou Hengde. Special visit. Lightweight block cutting system. Seek a production line upgrade plan. They used to use Russian hacksaw, but in the production process, high loss due to poor cutting accuracy. Efficiency can't keep up. Existing production line. It is difficult to meet production demand. Therefore, the customer made a special trip to Hengde this time, looking for a more stable bubble concrete block production technology. The plan is in the technical exchange. We showed multiple successful upgrades, transformation case, and according to customer target output, introduce in turn cutting equipment of different specifications, configure plus or minus 1 mm accuracy, low loss, structural stability and automation advantages. Subsequently, the customer inspected the processing workshop, assembly workshop and whole line demonstration area. On-site confirmation of Hengde cutting system. Accuracy of plus or minus 1 mm, low loss, structural stability and automation advantages.